but the document we are not seeing you.
Yeah. This is
Okay. Can you download the document and open it, Kunal, so that it's going to be more visible? If you don't
Yeah.
mind. Okay. It's going to be more effective, by the way. Now it's good. I think the 12th page we came. So 12th redirection. Yeah. No, I think we are here, right, Mr. Kunal?
So yesterday it was on just there is science
Yeah.
text command they're using.
Which one?
Science text.
Okay. But as I seen redirection, he was explaining yesterday.
Before disconnect.
Yeah. It was redirection command he was explaining, as if I know. But 12th page. That's what I was also there in the class yesterday. Right here, I think.
Yeah, eco word, yeah, hello word, yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Ravi, Rami left at redirection, Ravi.
Okay, Venkat, I can take it forward.
And Prasanna, Lakshmi, we are attested at.
Yeah, Kishore.
Hey, remaining people are joining, man.
We'll give
Another 5 minutes because of because of it was actually 9 o'clock class. Okay, so might
we'll give a
that
few
is-
more minutes, Venkat. So
Yeah.
to just the people.
Let the
so we can-
people come because of nobody want. I don't want to miss away anybody.
Yeah, we
It's
can
our
take it,
mistake only.
Venkat. You can.
Because of this Rami, some emergency. It was on 9 to 10, 11 actually. Kunal, why don't you open your EC2 mission?
The 12th page, or you're talking about Git bash? Yeah.
But this one. Sir, your EC2 missions are to practice.
EC2 machine, connect to the EC2 on, switch on, and connect via SSH or PuTTY.
PuTTY?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are not doing. You guys are not doing any practice. Ravi and Prasanna always use one of the learners mission to practice, because if we want to know each and every learner is doing something on the practical way, Ravi and Lakshmi.
Okay. Okay, Kishore.
Yeah, guys, we are not going to use our missions. We are going to use one of, and tomorrow day after, once Nayaj is solved his problem, and use the Nayaj mission to practice in the session. Mr. Nayaj, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just a moment,
Sure,
team. I
sure,
just
sure.
connect to the instance.
Yeah, please, no problem. You take your time. You take your time. And maybe Nayaj, in 2 days, you can able to solve the problem.
No, sir. I'm waiting for Monday. Tomorrow.
Okay. So next week we are going to use your mission, Nayaj.
Yes, sir.
We want you to learn, not by us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Siddharth, or else can you call the people on the teams?
Yes, sir. I'll just do that. I
From
have to
teams only, from teams only you can call. Yes, I think you can. You logged in, right?
Got it. Got it.
Yep. Hey, what happened? Connection lost.
Because I already connected through without Booty, so I just disconnected that and again I connect.
No, anyway you can connect. What is there in that? We want the mission to be open. Anywhere is okay, na?
Mm.
Uh, where is your PEM file? That one, okay. Check that PEM file is correct or not, Kunal.
Yeah.
Is it the right PEM file which you downloaded for that particular mission? That is important actually. No, man, something is going wrong.
You have to load your key, Kunal. Have you loaded it?
Just a moment, sir.
So take the public IP address.
I got it.
Yeah, public IP address. No, take public
That-
one, not private one. Public one.
43207, sir.
It is clearly mentioning public IP. Yeah, correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So
Wait. Okay. No. You go to Putty now. Okay, and go to credentials and load your.
SSH auth credentials. Browse your PPK file where you have saved it. I mean,
Which one it is?
check first which key it is exactly using it. Yeah, now it is accepting. It is
The key
Ubuntu
should be.
VMware.
I think so. Ubuntu.
It's connected.
Yeah, cool. Sir, do something on your own, sir. What you can do here, I just want to say. So do some redirective operations here. So print ls and out of which do some cut operation and redirect to some file. Can you do it, Mr. Kunal?
Yeah, sir. I'm just trying. Okay.
No, sir. I want to redirect. So, like you have to redirect the output to some file. whatever the input we are, see the ls minus hyphen l is giving some output, right? That output should be redirected to some file. Do that.
Okay. What's the command, sir? Can you say?
Sir, that's what yesterday you learned, sir. Yesterday you learned that way. I'm not going to give. Open your document for your reference if required. 12th page you go.
Yeah.
Okay. So how it is redirecting, sir? See, HO, hello world,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
yeah, right?
Okay.
Then you should no, man, wait. Don't copy paste the things here. LS you given, LS, right? LS
Yeah.
minus L you given, right? Then
Yeah.
LS hyphen L, LS
L.
hyphen L, LS hyphen L, same command
Okay.
which you use in the top, space minus hyphen L, and redirect symbol, space redirect symbol. Okay, redirect symbol, sir. What was that? And give kunal.txt. Redirect symbol, Kunal. There was a redirect symbol there.
What's this symbol?
See, sir. Refer your
Greater
document.
than symbol.
Greater than symbol, sir.
R.
Greater than symbol.
Greater than symbol, Kunal.
Special character.
Okay.
No, yeah.
1 minute, Venkat. Kunal, did you completed the cat command practice?
Get command.
The concatenation of the file, how to open the file. Did you done that practice?
No, not now, sir.
You would have done that practice. You will know the options in the cat command. What are the redirect operations, like greater than, what is meaning by that, double greater than, what is meaning by that actually.
Okay. Okay. Got that.
Got you?
Guys, I'm telling you guys should practice. Then only you will get. Otherwise, we will only get it. No, man. No, man. Why do you need that hyphen redirective? See, refer the doc. What was there, Kunal? Hello world, redirective, and there is a one .txt file. That's all. ls hyphen l redirective symbol kunal.txt.
Okay.
Rather than displaying in the screen, it will go to that file.
Okay. Right, sir?
Yes. Now see, it is not printed on the ls hyphen l output, not printed on the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously it was printed. Now open cat kunal.txt. Cat space kunal.txt open.
Okay. Kunal.txt.
Yeah. Open. See, that output came, right?
Okay.
Output was stored in kunal.txt, right?
Okay.
ls-l output got stored in kunal.txt. Why do we use it?
So, sir,
Yeah.
kunal.txt is a directory where the output is stored.
No, yeah, that is file, sir. .txt file.
Okay, okay, okay.
See, why do we do this kind of operation is when you are doing some uh, build or something, you wanna redirect your log file, you wanna redirect some output, so that in the future references, so log if you wanna refer, we will redirect it,
Okay. Okay.
right? Rather than
Okay.
displaying in the screen, we'll redirect the logs. See, that's all.
Okay.
Okay, Ravi, you carry on, Ravi. Guys, you guys should practice, man. Huh?
Okay, Venkat.
Yeah, Ravi. Yeah.
Okay, Venkat. So no need to wait others. Everyone is joined, right?
Yes.
There are a couple of people still, but I don't know. Siddharth has to tell.
I have approached
Maybe.
and they said they are busy right now. They can't do it. So I think we should be good with this audience at the moment.
So they are busy, yeah.
Like they have some said they are traveling, some said they are in the call, some said they can't join.
Sorry, no problem. Ravi, you carry on.
Okay. Hi guys. So today we will walk through the standard, redirections. There are three type of redirections. So one is standard input, stdin, standard output, std out, and standard error, that is std error. So we can use the one by one. So standard input in the standard input means we can use the exact command output and redirect to the one of the file what the Venkat shown you just now, right? So displaying the output either of the echo command, any of the command. So whatever you want. So cat command output or ls command output, any command, either grep command output, anything. So we can redirect the output into any of the file, not the directories. Into the file only we can redirect it. So let me share my screen. Okay. So Venkat, I can share my screen. So I have.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So instead of. Let me know once able to see my screen, guys.
Yeah, it is visible.
Which one you are seeing? Is Putty session or?
Putty.
Okay. Now which one you are seeing? Putty or some other screen?
Putty.
Okay.
So you can select the option entire screen.
No issue. Only Putty is enough. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm increasing my font size. Is it fine? So
yeah,
we need to increase more.
It's fine.
I think it's visible.
Okay. So let me remove this. Okay. So I have these files and directories in my current working directory. So I want to redirect. This is my one of the script. Okay. So I want to redirect. There are three type of redirections, right? So one is standard input, standard output, and standard error, right? Standard input in the sense we can display the we can display the file and redirect to the one of the file, another file. So I can give any of the file with extension txt or anything. So I can give my file dot txt. So the output is not displaying it completely. Whatever the command we are getting the output, the entire output is going to be redirecting into the new file. So the redirection operation is, if the file exists, it will override the existing file content. If file not exist, it will create a new file. If you see, I'm removing the file. Okay, my file.txt. So if you see, there is no my file.txt here. So I am running the command. So cat function.txt. cat function dot sh single greater than single redirection operation and then file name. So if the file exists, my content will override the existing file content. It will redirect the complete content or complete output, whatever it may be, either execution of the command or execution of the output, whatever it may be. It will redirect to the output into the file. See, able to see? Okay, so echo hello world. I'm redirecting into same file, my file.txt. So in this case, is file exist or file not exist? Is file exist, right? So what I have explained you, if the file exists, the content will overridden. If file not exist, it will create a new file. So if I open my file.txt, only hello world content is there. Why? Previously I have redirected output into the myfile.txt. Again, I have used hello world to redirect the output into myfile.txt. It should be there. It should be available existing content also, right? Why it is not available? Because I have used a single greater than option, redirection option. If I use double greater than redirection option, the file content will be available. My world. See, is it available? Both the content of existing one and new one. So the main use of greater than and new double greater than option of redirections, right? So if you are going to rotate your logs every day, so you no need to get the older logs, right? So you have to redirect the output into the latest logs into the new files. Instead of increasing your file size, you can freshly redirect your complete output into a new log file. So you can use single greater than. So if you want to carry forward older logs also by timestamp, you can use double greater than option. Clear? This is input redirections.
Sir, can
Clear?
we use the single greater than option in this, the second line, the echo my world?
You can use it. The content will overwritten and it will only store the whatever the content you are redirecting to.
Okay.
Only my world is there. Initially, I have
Okay.
2 lines of content. So I have used a single greater than redirection option. So the content is overwritten and only whatever the content I have given in the output, I can say techno tree. So only this techno tree content will be there. So it is overriding existing content.
Or if
So
we,
this will be, yeah.
or if we using a double greater than, then again the same content is right.
Yes, if you use right.
It will append. It won't
Two
override.
times it will add the new lines. It won't overwritten. It won't check any lines. It is already present or not. Simply blindly, it will
just
add the last line of the file. Whatever the output you are redirecting into the file.
Okay.
Clear? The standard input options greater than, single greater, double greater than.
Yeah.
So if you go to output redirections, right? So if I give right single greater than, it will print the output and then it will redirect the output as well. Just it will print the output as well. So if you see cat function.sh, so for example, go with error standard output, ls-ll. This is my, this is wrong command, right? Okay. This is wrong command, right? If you redirect this output, right? Redirect the standard output errors, you can use the option called the second number. That will be always redirect the error standard output into the See, so if we give like this, it won't, see, it is not redirecting any error. Even though the command is wrong, we are going to redirect one of the error.txt. So if we print the error.txt, the error log is not printing into the error log output is not redirecting into the one of the file. If it is command goes wrong, unless you have used the option called set to number. So to number represent the error output. So you don't know about, for example, you are trying to open the file with something randomly, file.txt, your file is not available. So sometimes the output won't redirect to the file. So in that case, what you can do, you can use symbol called to, and then error, not only error.txt, you can use any name. For our naming conversation, we are using error.txt file. See, cat file not exist. File text, no such file or directory. Whatever the error you are getting via this command, the complete error will going to be redirect using the option called to. The redirecting the error output using the number called to. Clear? For example, if I want to know, can anyone give me the command how to find the particular username is present or not in one of the file? So this is my file. So I want to grep. I want to find the current. I want to find the specific username is present or not. I think grep command is already completed previous sessions. That's what I can see in the documentation.
Pipe symbol and grep and user.
I have the capital letter Technotree user. Can I found that username?
You can use -I.
Okay, that's good. So my username is EC2-user. Okay, so did you completed the cut command options? Filter command, what are the filter commands you guys are completed? AWK command, cut command, you completed? Sorry?
No, I think no.
You guys are not complete. Okay. Okay. So for example, I want to redirect this complete user information related. This is the username. This is the password. This is the user ID. This is the group ID. This is the user home directory. And this is the user home directory. So if you want to redirect the complete user related information into a file, you can use user info.txt. So if you cat the user info.txt, you can know. So like this you can. So you can use the some filter commands to get the user ID or username, something like that. For example, echo $UID is the default user ID. Whoever it is logged in, right? Who am I? I'm the root user. I want to know what is the root user ID. So I want to redirect the user ID into one of the file. Use current user ID. See, cat current user ID. So I can get it right. So this is the default variable set by the Linux, and you can get the output of this UID, whoever logged in. So if I switch to another, I'm the root user now. See, I'm the EC2 user. If we want to run this command and get the user ID, see 1000. Did you pass any variable to the echo command? No. This is the system generated variable. System generated variable. This UID will redirecting into the one of the file. Clear about redirection operations? Error operation, standard input, standard output, and error redirections.
So can we
So
use
what
instead out? Can we use the less than symbol to redirect the operation in standard out? Yeah.
hello?
Yeah. We can.
So I mean, what is the difference between standard input and output?
You see. 1 minute. Let me. The standard input is for example, if you want to redirect the output into the alphabetical order using sort commands, we can redirect the operator using less than symbol. So if we use sort less than, so what is the sort command output?
It sorts the things.
Sort of ls-ldr grep sort. Why it is cat my file. Was the file I have used?
So it
EL,
was
EL.
EL.
Okay. Okay. Sort my file. Okay. See, it is printing an alphabetical order. So if we use the option called redirect operation using less than symbol, why it is different way it is coming. So standard input is nothing but it is kind of keyboard input. So we are giving the input to the keyboard and we are redirecting the output into the file, right? So standard output in the sense, example, displaying the output. Getting me? So stdin refers the standard input stream, which accepts the text as an input. When you type something in your keyboard, for example, this is the keyboard, right? You are typing something. Okay.
Yes.
This is the input standard in. So
Okay.
when you type something on your keyboard, it serves as a standard input. In other hand, standard output represents the command of the output. I mean, when whatever the file is displaying the output, like for example, cat user info. This is the standard output. So
I mean, but logically both are the output only, right? Output of the command.
no, here the difference is there, right? So we are reading the command line input to the standard input and printing the output as a standard output.
And how these, I mean, standard input and output distinguish from the redirection operation?
This is the standard input. Okay, this is standard input. From the file, we are
Okay.
outputting the content and redirecting into one of the file. This is standard input. Standard output
Input.
means this is the
Mm.
command we are printing it, or sort command with the file name. So like that, this is the
Standard output.
standard output. This is standard input from the file. This is input, right? We are giving the command.
Mm.
Wait, is yeah. This is the command we are giving as input, right? And here there is no input. Directly command we are giving, right? Or PWD. Who am I? You name -a.
So wherever we are, okay. So I mean, what I understood, wherever we have a file and we are moving into another file, that's a basically standard input operation, correct?
Correct.
Through the, I mean, greater than sign.
Correct.
And standard error is understood, well understood. And if we are just using a commands, and even though if I'm redirecting to some of the file, those command output, it will be a standard output, right?
Correct.
And what is the difference between like greater than and less than that redirecting symbol? Like here you are using the less than like the symbol.
Where I can use a less than symbol.
I mean that redirecting symbol greater than or less than sign is there, right? Previously. Like we can use either of those, like while directing the files from left to right or right to left like that.
No, we have to use greater than only.
Okay, like previously I saw less than symbol, that's why.
Sorry, your voice is sometimes low.
Previously I saw a less than symbol you had used to like had it out, that's why.
Mhm. So use greater than symbols. Okay.
Okay.
So just if you use the less than symbol, just it will print the output as like same input.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the next topic? Pipe symbol. Did you complete it?
No.
Okay. So what is mean by pipe? So when we can use the pipe? The pipe is nothing but, for example, let me bring this. So what is the meaning of here? So pipe is nothing but filter the previous command output, all the command outputs. For example, this command output, for example, I have multiple commands. Okay, multiple pipe commands. So what it can do, right? If you use multiple pipe commands here, okay. If you use multiple pipe commands, the syntax is command pipe symbol, command pipe symbol, command pipe symbol, command. Example, you can think about like this. Your command looks like, okay. You can use space or without space, that is also fine. Okay. So first what it can do, right? What it will do, right? First command, it will execute it. Whatever the command output, we will get it, right? That command output will be redirecting into, that command output will be passed to the next command input. So second command will execute and we will get some output, right? That command output will going to pass it as an input to the next command. So here also you will get output, right? That the command output will going to pass to the next command input until the command end. Getting me?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
repeat?
Sorry,
Can you repeat, please?
Abhishek, your voice is breaking, Abhishek.
Yeah. Can you repeat, please?
Yes. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 commands. Okay. So if you want to execute the 4 commands using pipe symbol, so what it will do? If I execute cat function.sh, so it will print. So instead of printing the output, we will use pipe symbol to pass the previous command output into a next command input. So if we use cat, for example, if we use grep command, you need to pass some file name or something, right? To read the string or to read the word from the file, right? So instead of that, grep, I want to found this file check example. So see, the cat function.sh command output is instead of printing the complete output, we are giving the previous command output into the next command input. Getting me? So this grep command will always read the content of or information or input of the previous command output, or the previous command output will going to send the input to the next command input, or next command is going to read the output of the previous command. Reverse order we can tell actually. Either previous command output is going to send the input to the next command, or next command is going to read the output of the previous command, input of the previous command output. Clear? So see, for example, if I want to use head command -1, what is the meaning of this? You know, I think head command is already done, right?
The first
You
line
top
of the
10 rows, I guess.
See, it is. See, only one line is printing. See, if you segregate the output, cat function.sh, what is the output? It is completely file output printing it. So what we are doing, we are sending the cat function.sh output into the next command input. The next command is, you can write any command as per the valid syntax, valid scenario. So I want to grep the file.check. File check word is present or not. So it is present. So I want to print only one line. So it is printing. If you want to print last line, use tail command. The valid syntax, you have to form the command. Clear about pipe symbol? Getting me?
Guys, you should respond, man. Then only the
Yes,
runner get to know.
yes, Ravindra.
So only one person is I am hearing the voice always actually.
No,
So
no,
remaining
everybody should
people,
respond, yeah.
is it clear or you are not able to understand? If not, I can explain in different ways. So that I can take it as a.
Vignesh, Prashant,
So like how
Shivam, Manoj.
So you can use not only the one pipe symbol, you can use multiple pipe symbols also based on your need.
And Ravi, can you just show with one pipe first? If you don't mind.
Yeah,
Just with
one
one
by one I
pipe.
have shown you right here. Here
No,
only,
no, no.
so.
Don't use grep also. Just with the tile get function. So the cat with a tile or head.
So
So,
cat function. So I am tailing last 5 lines. See, so if you use this command, it will completely list the how many lines we have. So you know the options, right? Cat-n option. So what is the use of cat-n? I think you already completed, guys, the cat command, the very basic command actually.
So the number, line number.
Line number, see. So if I use tail-4, last 4 will display 17, 16, 15, 14. See, so your assumption is we need to we can use grep command also to print echo command. What is the echo? It is already, so you can print it like this. Not only grep, you can use tail, any of the Linux commands. See,
yeah,
for
here
example,
3 levels of filters we are doing. So the pipe is something, but if you want to filter your output, we can utilize. Hidden
tail
3
is
level
one
of
of the
filter.
filter. Tail is one of the filter command. Grep is one of the filter command. Pipe is one of the filter commands. Here the 3 filter commands we are using with the help of cat command output. Clear?
Ravi, let one of the person will do the same operation. I'll show you.
So, okay. So as per your understanding, I want to, using LSF and LTR command output, I want to count the how many lines or how many complete list available using pipe symbol. How can I get it? Can anyone? How to count the word? I think we have already completed the command, I think. Yeah, it is already completed. In the documentation, I can see it is already completed.
WC.
WC, I mean ls hyphen lrt pipe WC.
Only WC? Only
I mean,
WC?
yes, I mean what it is printing.
So how can you
What
understand?
what was the question? I mean, what do you want?
I want to list all the count, how many final count actually, instead of this
Final
19, 160. How can I understood this output?
That means 19 lines.
So hyphen L option, we can list the complete. See, you understood now, right? So I'm going to read the second command input as a first command output and passing it to the WC command. And then using pipe symbol, I can print the output, whatever the last command. For example, if you use a command pipe symbol, command, you can use many commands. So at the end, whatever the command is at the end, that command output only you can able to print it. So instead of that, if you are using like this, you can use redirect operation also. File.txt. You can use redirection operation also. See, it is redirected the output, whatever the output is going to be printing. Correct? So you can write your own commands as per your knowledge, as per your need, guys. There is no stopping points to use like this command only, use like this command only. You can use anything, anyway.
Sir, when we using a grep command or tail command, the syntax would be the same like cat function .sh. I mean that.
What is the use of grep command and what is the use of tail command? Can you explain? Based on that, you will only tell the answer.
No, sir. Suppose I'm writing on tail command. So can we use that a cat function .sh then tail slash? Yeah.
Tail slash?
Tail. Tail. Yeah. One. Tail.
What is the tail? It will print only last line. Grep in the sense whole word. It will grep entire file and it will get the output. See, for example, this is my country. Okay, see, countries. Just for example, India, Australia. For example, IND. Just I'm giving. Okay. AUS. Okay. Countries. So if I use tail command, did I get the
so they can print only Australia, right?
Sorry?
Tail command, yeah. Okay, got it. And then we can use a grep, then they can okay.
So wherever it is found, you can this grep command, it will search the entire file and it will display the output wherever it is found actually.
Or sir, if I'm using that cat country, yes, like grip one and then enter it, then they can print all the like India, Australia, right?
Come again.
No, don't write India, sir. Only you can enter it grip on. Yeah, enter one.
Only grep, huh?
Yeah.
The syntax is not valid, right? The grep command expects some options and then input. What is the
Okay,
pattern
then,
you have to see?
okay, then give I or A.
I. What is the pattern? So the syntax is this, guys. Grep, option, pattern, file. The file we are already getting the output that you can ignore. What is the pattern you are going to search? What is the word? What is the string you are going to search to the output? Previous command output. You have
Okay.
to
Or
mention.
suppose we can use a grep hyphen A, then they can type only Australia, right?
Get hyphen
A.
small a. If it will grep only small a, what? It will
Yeah.
grep whatever wherever it is actually.
Okay.
If you type like this, you can get only the string matched with AU. Here you are giving A. So the string is matching with the word is A. So it will print wherever it is A is matching.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, sir, you mean that the tail is only the way when you can find out the last?
Yes. For example,
and
for
grep
example,
is the okay.
I will
Grep
tell
is a
you.
list of okay.
I will give you the more. I will give you the okay. Cat boot.log. So how many lines it is here? There are the file is very bigger, right?
Yes.
If you see cat boot.log. So the latest log will be appending at the end of the file.
Right.
Okay. If you
Right.
see date 3/4/35. Okay. So if you
Okay.
want to print last 10 lines, you can use last 20 lines,
Tail.
last 5 lines. You can use tail command.
Okay, so they can show the last 5 logs. Okay.
Okay. So you are trying to print the last tail 5 lines or 10 lines. You want to grep the error word is the any error came using grep command.
So they can search that only the error lines.
Error lines, for example, if the log is having any errors. So if you want to find log name, example, see, it is able to find out. So in a real-time case, right? So we are running one Tomcat application server. Okay, the server went down. How can you find out? You have to go to the log file and find the error where it is exactly. If it is every day, it is not overriding the log, it is appending the log. That means 10,000 lines we have in the log file. So how can you find out? So you can print last 100 lines or last 50 lines using tail command and use grep command to filter the error word to show where it is error, like that.
Okay.
You have to think. You have to think the filter commands where you can use it based on the need.
Okay. So, sir, grep and tail command both are the filter command, right?
All are filter commands only.
Okay. Okay, sir. Got it. Clear.
Yeah. What about others? You guys are able to understand the syntax scenario where we can use it?
Yeah.
Nayaj.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Nayaj, are you
Yes,
there,
sir.
sir? You understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Nayaj, Kunal, Prashant, Vignesh, Manoj,
Yes, I am able to understand.
Madhukant.
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, very good, sir. Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
Navaneet, Prashant.
Yes, I am able to understand, Venkat.
Okay, thank you. Everybody is good, right? Good to go, right?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I'm trying to bring one more actually. The logs are initiating here.
Sir, in this Linux, any message ID concept is using where we can find the log.
No. Each service will have the separate log actually. They can write their own services.
Okay. Because
So
sir, I am working in a
what I'm
I3.
trying to,
So
that's what
in
I'm trying
I3,
to showcase you.
yeah.
SSH
So
service.
basically, I am working in I3 server. So in I3 servers, is someone you can searching any kind of log they can use through the message ID, and then you can search that particular log.
Mhm. CD var log. Okay, this is not a. See, for example, I'm going to stop the one of the service. Okay, lost log. Okay, cron.log, secure.log, message.log. Okay, so you understood, right? The log concept where we can. So I'm not able to find out the bigger log actually with errors. So you understood, right? The pipe symbol.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe you can try something in
Venkat?
log or somewhere, Ravi.
Venkat, I'm not able to hear you. It is breaked actually, your voice.
No. Somewhere, where logs and all. Maybe it is a new mission, right? There would be less log actually.
I'm trying to disturb the service actually to showcase the.
Oh, okay.
So which service? If I stop SSD, it won't work, right?
So no. Don't disturb that.
Cron.service. Okay. Systemctl stop
I mean,
cron.
anything, yeah. Cron you can
So
stop.
I'm going to status. This is the cron.service file. Okay. So I can go ahead and disturb something. Exe start something. So just I'm disturbing the service file. Okay. Now I'm going to start the service. You can able to see the error log. Okay. Restart or start. See systemctl something it is coming reload. So we can type this restart. So systemctl status cron. See cron.service is lag something the error. Use -L option to see the systemctl -L. See, this is the error. So if we want to, for example, if it is logger, we are in this, right? Cat cron. See, jobs fail run not complete. Reboot jobs will fail at complete. Where is the log will rotate actually? Start touch opt. Somewhere we can see the logs in the redirection, right?
System file.
No, this is service actually. CG group service actually. This is the service name actually. User bin system cron d. Where is the log output? Kill user bin cron.service multi-user log. Somewhere we can refer it actually. And scheduler. Okay. Okay. Forgot, no issues. You understood, right? So I'm not able to make it failure case. So the pipe command, right? So you can use cat. So how many lines it is? See, if you see, right? If you can use WC-L also. So there are 2,472 lines. The cron 20240616 log file is having 24722. So like that you can find out the log. So next one is wild characters. Okay, so wild character in the sense, if we want to list, for example, I have these files, right? Let me go to root. Next concept is wild character. So if we want to list, start with my. So star in the sense wild character. After that, whatever the name it will be, my name or my file, anything after my, you can list those files using wild character. If we want to filter star file, before file, whatever the file word, right? Before that, whatever it may be, it can print. See, Docker file. So it is only searching with end with file. Before doesn't matter anything. We are using wild character. See, my it is printing, my Docker file 1, my file 2, like that. If you want to list any of the matching word, wild character, my fi. I don't know exact the name, what the file I have created, but I can able to understand. So I have created the name called something my, but I don't know exact the name. You can use like this. Start with anything, end with anything, but you can find the name, the string. Getting me? The wild characters. Kunal, Nayaj, Vignesh, Rajbir, Abhishek.
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is help command. So help command will help you to find out the more options to the respective command. So with the using help command, so we can find the options of what is the use of the command. You don't know about exactly the command usage, so you want to know that. So how can you know the command usage or command meaning until unless you have searched in Google, right? So in the Linux platform, by default, we will get the help commands. So the command will be man or help. There are two commands, command -help. So you will get the what is the use of cat command, what is the options or what is the usage when we can everything we can get it. So usage in the sense command syntax, cat options file name, concatenate or standard input or standard output. So we will use standard input and standard output concept using cat command, right? So that you already know. -a option. So -b option, non-blank, -e option, equivalent -e, -n. So you can find the more options using help command. Or if you want to know more about instead of cat, you can use the command called man. Also one more help command, man command name. If you want to see grep command, if you want to see mkdir command, so you can find the options. You can find more information about the command if you use man. If you use -help command, it will be lesser options, mkdir -help, only lesser information. If you want to know more information about the command, use man command. See, use user command, mkdir make directories. Synopsis in the sense syntax, options, directory, description. Create the directory if they do not already if they do not already exist. Mandatory arguments. See, you can press enter. You will get the information about the command. If you want to quit out of this output, just press Q. Man type symbol. Sorry. Man, any of the command, sort command. See? Sort lines of the text files. Ignore leading blanks. Dictionary order, if you use -d, -f, ignore case, -a, ignore non-printing. So -n numerical sort. So -r reverse order. So wherever you want, you can use the option and then try it out. If you want to come out of this, press H for help or Q for quit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Nayaz, are you clear?
Sir.
Okay. Manoj, Nayaz,
Please raise your voice, okay, if you are not getting it. So
Madhukant.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Venkat.
Next concept is viewing file and directory permissions. Viewing file and directory permissions. So I have this command output. How can I identify or how can I differentiate this is a file or this is a directory? 1 minute, I can create one directory called techno or mkdir DevOps. Okay, file is already DevOps 1, 2, 3, 4. mkdir file 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have some files and directories. So how can I differentiate or how can I know this is a file A, this is a file, or this is a directory, or this is a shell script, or this is some different kind of file? How can I identify or how can I differentiate? You guys, anyone knows?
So differentiation
there is
between the
this
file. Sorry, Manikant.
Go with one Kunal or Rajbir.
Madhukant.
so in this, if you use this ls-ltr, if you are getting hyphen, then it's a normal file. Then if you are
Okay.
getting, it's a directory. Then if you are getting an L, it's a link. Oh, sorry, soft link file.
There is, I mean, linked file it is.
Yeah, linked file.
Not link, it will be linked file.
Yeah.
Yes, that is true. So we can differentiate like this. If it is hyphen, it is a regular file. Regular file in the sense normal file. See, what are all the operations we can perform to the file? I have the file. What are all the operations we can perform? I mean, what are the commands it will be applicable? So if I use cat file, it got stuck. It is got stuck. Okay, so if I have the file, so I can use mkdir and then file name or cd to file name. Is it possible? Hello, guys.
I didn't get your question. Can you repeat that?
So, for example, I have one file and one directory. So I have the file. So what command I can use to run the file? What command I can use? What is the operation I can execute to the file?
Read, write, and execute.
No, I'm asking about command. Which command I can use? CD and then file name, it will work.
No.
No,
I
it will
think
only for directories is
anyone.
work for CD.
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. So if it is a file, it is a regular file. We can use cat is the default command to access the command out. I mean, access the file output. If it is a directory, so you can't use cat directory name. So always you have to use cd command. CD in the sense change directory. So change directory is a command to switch inside the directory. That means how we are going for the Windows, right? Double click on directory name, folder name, you can go inside the folder, right? So like that, cd is the command, default command. If you have directory, if you want to go inside the directory, so blindly you have to use cd command. There is no command to use go inside the directory. So for example, you have the file, so you have to see the content of the file. So you don't, I mean, there is no way to use cd command. So you have to use some other commands, tail, head, cat, something like that. Sort command, tail command, head command, more command, less command. Okay. Why my putty session is not accessible? So can anyone explain? Anyone knows about this permissions, like how the file permission will happen, how the directory permission will happen, what are the fields we can differentiate this? If anyone knows, I can explain, but just I'm asking you guys to, anyone knows or not. All the fields
I
we
think
have,
we can.
hyphen is the indication of the file. What is this? After hyphen we have some rwx something, and what is this, and what is this, and what is the fields, what is the this one? Anyone knows?
Yeah, first three are like for group.
First three means this one.
Yeah. So after hyphen, we are having that one RWX, right? R means read, W for write, X for execute, and these are for group functions.
This one, no?
Yeah. First,
First
no.
is for user.
Sorry. Okay. First is for user.
User or owner. So who created a file? Either will be user will be the user is created, or non-root user created, or root user created, doesn't matter. First we can say it as owner or user. Who created by the file? That will be owner or user.
So the user has the permissions to read, write, and execute this particular file. Then after that, we would be having group permissions. So for now, the group only has read and execute permission.
Yes.
And the third one is for others, and other also has read and execute permissions.
Yes. What is this about this?
Not sure.
So this is basically one is the count of particular thing.
Yes.
And then there is a user and user aligned to which group.
Yes, correct. This
And
is the regular file indication. What is the file hyphen before that, right? Hyphen is the regular file indication. This is the owner, group, others permission, and then this is the indication of the file. I mean, this is the direction what he said. This is the owner, user, and group. Who is the owner of this file? What is the group of the file? This is the file size. When was created, month, date, timestamp, and then file name. The same will be applicable for directory as well.
Only fifth column is the inodes, not the size of the file.
This one, na?
Fifth one is number of inodes that the file is.
I can show you. My putty session is not accessing. Can you share anyone the screen? I have to run one command. I'm not able to access putty suddenly.
And we restarted, sir.
I restarted it actually. I not able to see. Duplicate session I have entered. Something is happened actually with AWS. Meanwhile, can anyone reshare? Can you share the screen? Meanwhile, I will try to reconnect it. Trying to log in AWS account to restart the.
So now you logged into AWS account now. Probably you can share.
AWS account
Yes,
also
just
logged
a
out.
moment.
I think Rahul also here. Rahul, can you also share, please?
Actually, we have to spin up this
Instance,
Linux.
no?
Oh, okay.
Okay, I have it. Okay, I'm trying to log in my AWS account. I have the account credentials. Invalid username. Okay. I'm going to log in with the new instance. EC2-user @ authentication credentials. Browse docker.ppk file. Let me try to log in. Yeah, so I'm resharing it again. Okay, so how? Let me know once able to see my screen. I'm resharing it. So able to see my screen?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So what things we are discussing? Okay, so du-hs star du-hs. Okay. Du okay lsfnl 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 lh. Just 4 KB. This is the size of the file. If you see, I can put lot of content into the Docker file. This will going to be increase. Okay. See, previously it is how much? Something. If you see here, 277. Okay. It is already 277. The du-hs. It is 4 KB lsfnl lrth. It is 277 where we can see the size of the file.
du-sk in the file.
This is 4 KB file actually. du-hs and then file name. I think this is the inode numbers. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Can I understand what is IO number?
1 minute. Size of the invites. No man. This is the size of the size or not inode number. This is the size only. See, TOUTH touch 5. What is the file size now? 0. If I put content into the file, it will going to be changed. Correct? This is the size of the file, not the inode number. That is a different concept we'll talk about later. So this is the size of the file. If you create a file using, what is the touch? What is the touch usage?
It creates a file.
Which file? It will create
Text file of the file.
which file it will create. That is the main important word actually, the touch command, not the simply it will create a file. We have key name in the touch command, some key name. It will create a empty file, not the file. It will create a empty file. Getting me?
Yeah, right.
It will create a empty file. If file already exists, here we have to understand one more thing. What is the timestamp of the file? 331. If I use same file name with the touch command, touch and then same file name, if file exists, it will touch the file and modify the timestamp. If file not exist, it will create the empty file. See, 331, I have run this command again with the touch. If the file stamp got changed, it won't disturb anything inside the content or any permissions. Just it will modify the timestamp. The main disadvantages of touch, if you use touch command followed by the same file name, the main disadvantages is you don't know exactly when was the file was created. For example, last 1 year back, I have created a file. By mistakenly, I have run the command. The file timestamp got changed, right? How should you know this file was created long back? You can based on the file output. Oh, this file is created just now only. This is the drawback, right? Okay. Getting me? So this is very dangerous command because you have created a long yearly back the file. If you by mistakenly touch the file, if file exists, it will touch that file and it will modify the timestamp. So you can lose your original file creation date. When was it created? Correct? That is a drawback only, right? Touch. Take. Not tree. So file is not present. So that is the reason it is created an empty file. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. File indication, file permission, owner name, username, group name, file size, file timestamp, and then file name. Clear about file viewing the file and directories and permissions. So here I have to tell you one more thing. Screen, entire window I am sharing it, okay? So this is the file. This is the file and this is the directory. Okay. So read can represent R. Write can represent W. Execute can represent the symbol called X. The count will be 4. We can numerical count 4, 2, 1. So we can decide the thing. See, this is the indication of the file. You can ignore. This is the indication of the directory and this is indication of the file. We can divide 3 by 3. Each 3 fields, okay? This you already know. You can no need to worry on this. How the file permission will happen? How can you calculate the file permission? What is mean by read? What is the number of read? What the number? 4, right?
4.
W means 1. X means 4. W means 2. X means 1. Now R means 4 plus hyphen in the sense there is no permission. We can treat it as a 0. Plus X means 1. 4, 0, 1. Can you can you type sum of the numbers? 4 plus 2 plus 1. What is the value? What is the value?
7.
4 plus 0 plus 1?
5.
4, 5.
4 plus
5.
0 plus 1,
5.
5. You can add complete word, complete numbers, 755. So this is the default permission will going to be created as a directory. So like that, can you calculate the file permission as well? 4 plus 2 plus 0. 4 plus 0 plus 0. 4 plus 0 plus 0. So can you calculate this? 6, 4, 4. Can you add all the things? 644. So,
Sir, the RW slash will be 4 plus 2 plus 0 now. The 1
Sorry.
is for X.
Yeah, 0. 4 plus 2
Ah.
plus 0. 4 plus 0. 0. 4 plus 0 plus 0. So you can add sum and combine everything. 644. So by default, file permission is 644. Full permission is full permission of the file is 666. By default directory directory permission is 755. Full permission is 777. 777. So this file permission will be happening based on the umask value. Default umask value is 0022. 0022. Sorry, 0002 or 0022. Umask 0022. So whenever you are in the backend, right? Whenever you are going to creating a file, what it will do? What is the full permission of the file? What is the umask value? It will be add 10 before that. 22. Can you subtract the output of this? 0, 6, 44, right? If you use subtraction. Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
The 0 you can ignore. This is a little bit special permission actually. So you can ignore. So we are adding 0 before that. So whenever we are trying to create a file, what it will do? It is depends upon the umask value. So if the umask value is set to 0022, this will going to be subtract from the full permission of the file. So what is the subtraction of the value? 0022 and 0666 644. If I change, see, umask 000, sorry, umask. Just I'm setting it. Okay, umask. See, so if this is the one, what is the value will come by default will come. If the umask value looks like, what is the permission will be per file and what is the permission will be directory, like this, right? Here what will be the permission? RWX, RWX, R hyphen, right? Tell me, guys.
So, sir, umask value 00022 is a by default.
Yes, by default.
All the time it is same.
All the time by default 0022. So for your showcasing purpose, I have set as a my customized umask value 0002. If my umask value is 0002, what will be the permission of the file and what will be the permission of the directory? 00606062 664. What is the permission of 664? 4 plus 2.
This can't be.
Sorry?
I'm saying full permission of a file shouldn't be maybe 766.
This is a directory. Okay. No. The full permission of
No.
the file is 666. Okay. What is the
So
value?
basically, if I want to execute any of the files, so it's okay for the text file, but if we have any bash file or any Python file which is executable, without X we can't do it, na?
You can give like this: chmod plus X. Provide the execution permission to the.
This is something we are modifying, but full permission we are talking about. It should be RWX, right?
Chmod. Okay. Let me. Technotry. This is the full permission.
No, for full you have to give 777, no?
No, if you can give like this also, but by default I'm talking about file permission. What is the full permission of the file? What is the full permission of the directory?
Default is okay. Default is okay, but full permission that we're talking about, it should be
777.
RWX, right?
RWX touch. I'm going to. I have changed the UMask value, right? 0002. So now will be different permission will come, right? By default, how it will behave. It is based on the UMask value or not. We can decide now. UMask 0002. If I create a file, instead of default file name RWRR, it is creating UMask value based on this. Correct? See, they are also getting 775 permission. So UMask value will decide what will be the permission of the default permission of the file and directory. Getting me? So the permission will be read. What we can do if the read permission? What we can do if the write permission? What we can do if the execution permission? Read means you can read the file or content. Is the file present or the file content is available or not? Write means you can do anything like modification, removing, and then renaming it. You can perform those operations. Execution means if it is having execution permission, then only you can run the script. Otherwise, you can't run the script. It will give permission denied error. For example, cat file.sh. Just example I'm giving it. Bin bash. Echo I. Okay. Dot slash file dot sh. It is saying permission denied, right? So if I want to provide execution permission to the respective file, I can able to run the file. Are you understand the difference of execution permission of the file? File.sh. See, I have given execution permission x. Previously it won't be there. I have provided the execution permission and then running the script. I'm able to run the script and I'm able to print the output. I mean, I'm able to print the script execution of the output. It's clear?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, we'll take a 5 minutes break. So we'll restart our session. Okay. That's fine for you, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll start 9:22.
I'm going to sharing my screen.
Yeah. Please, sir.
Venkat sir, in this PDF document,
Hmm.
the Linux file hierarchy is not explained.
File hierarchy of
No. Go to cd/user/bin.
CD
/user.
user
Okay.
USR.
No,
Okay,
USR.
USR. Okay.
USR
Slash bin.
Slash bin. Sorry.
Right. Venkat sir, I mean, half an hour or 20 minutes can be spent on this. It'll clear the file structures.
File structure, is it?
I mean, like user, what are all things get stores, you know,
Yes,
etc.
sir.
and
Yes, sir.
all this.
No problem, sir. We will have it. We will have it. Definitely.
Rahul,
Just
not
LS
showing.
bus. It is not. It is not. Otherwise, just you go under bin only, direct bin, CD slash bin. LS.
Okay.
You see here
Okay.
all commands.
Okay.
You're seeing your LS command is there. See,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's a compiled version of it. Just do some cat space LS.
Command is nothing but a binary.
Binary. It's a compiled. No, just LS, sir. Arey yaar. Why you are opening a directory? Cat space. Cat means to show the content in that file, right?
Yeah.
He was explained you. Cat LS you give. Arey yaar, why you are LS yaar? You are already there.
Okay.
Slash
Okay.
means it will go to root. Just LS.
Okay. Okay. LS. Okay.
Yes. Just you're open. You're seeing the content in the file. Cat space LS.
Okay. Space LS.
Yes.
Okay.
Arey yaar, why you are using slash boss? LS sir, just LS. Open. See, there's a compiled version it's showing now. Lot of.
Okay.
Okay, it's a compiled version, which is compiled. That is also the program kind of a thing which is compiled and
If
kept.
you want to know
Control-C,
the type
Control-C.
of the file, just run file space ls. That will show the type of the file, whether it is a text file or a binary file. You just do Control-C there. Yeah.
Control-C.
Just run file space ls.
Okay.
You can see here the type of the file. See the executable file. This is a binary. If it is a text file, it will show a text file or ASCII file.
Okay.
Where are you looking, Rahul?
First, in the first line, there is the file is showing as executable, lsb py executable. In the first line of
okay.
It's displayed, right? LSB py executable.
Yes.
Okay. See that all architecture, version, everything is there. I think the trainer is back, man.
2 minutes already.
Somebody posted the class will resume at 9:30.
Okay. Cool. Sorry, I didn't see that.
Venkat, a small suggestion. Going forward, if there is any change in the schedule, can we have a WhatsApp group and communicate over there? Because all the time we cannot monitor the Teams chat.
No, sir. WhatsApp group we are not supposed to entertain, sir. That we are paying 500 rupees for each of your account in the Teams.
Okay.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah, the problem is I have already configured my official Teams in mobile. I don't think we can configure one more Teams in the mobile.
No, you can do 2, 3 also, no problem.
It
Oh,
is
is it?
possible, Rahul.
Yeah, yeah, it is possible, Rahul. You can.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Let me
Yeah,
give
it's
it.
possible.
and Venkat sir,
Yeah.
like, we'll be able to see the recording till what time? Like, I'm not sure of the. Is there any limit of the recording, like 1 year, 2 year, or it's like few months or something?
I think
Can
it
we
will
get
be available for a longer period. Yeah. I also really don't know. Maybe I'll check.
okay? Because I
But
was
we'll
not able
make
to
sure.
download the
OneDrive.
recording.
The thing is,
That option was
no,
also not
guys,
there.
we are moving this recording slowly towards a Google Drive, boss, because of it's going to be easy for you guys rather than this Microsoft.
Okay.
So
So
Actually,
maybe
Venkat,
any download option should be provided, because like for the documents also no option is there.
no, I think Venkat, I think it should be only for 90 days. The recording will available in Teams. After that, it will be auto expires. And I guess I said it same to Siddharth. Siddharth is uploading the recordings to the OneDrive.
if it is a OneDrive, it will be there for longer.
No, he's manually uploading from Teams recording to OneDrive.
Correct.
It has
No,
to
no.
be, yeah.
Yeah, and slowly we are moving to Google, sir. So because of this
Okay.
Microsoft having some issues in this few of the things, and user interfaces also we are having problems. Maybe by next month we are moving towards Google Drive and Zoom.
Okay.
Venkat sir, one more request. I mean,
Tell me, sir.
uploading videos with default name doesn't,
No, sir.
give us.
No. We are not uploading like that. And then no, Siddharth, we already explained Siddharth yesterday. He is going to upload like a Linux on the class of that particular date of the class, and Docker
So
particular date of the class.
So from today onwards, it'll be
Yes,
applicable.
he is renaming. He is renaming, sir.
And can't we download this video?
I don't think so. I don't think so. They'll give permission. You
Yes,
can
but
access,
like if
right?
later on after the classes, like how we'll be able to access, like if we don't have the download option or any other options.
So that's why we are moving to the Google, sir. Slowly we are moving to the Google so that it will be accessible for your lifetime.
Okay.
Most probably
Duration,
next
you will confirm
15th onwards,
duration, right?
we are moving.
Duration of this video will available in OneDrive, you will confirm.
Yeah, OneDrive it will be available. Again, we are moving to the Google also, sir, so that it's going to be lifetime access.
Okay, that's great.
And even assessments also we brought it to cloud. And soon you will get that all the links, user accounts and all.
Yeah, and to please give access to the documents also, like download
No,
option,
yes,
so
sir.
I'll be able to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. For what? For material?
I think
Yes,
for
yes.
material already we have the download option.
Yeah, we have given, sir. We have given.
Okay, last time I checked, it was not showing download. That's fine. Maybe I'll check again. Yeah.
Can you please check, or else you can ping Siddharth.
I think
given.
we got the download option now.
Yeah.
Oh, now you can download.
Mr. Nayaz, are you good? Are you good, man?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm I'm very much interested if you learn more and more.
Yes, sir. Sure. Why? Because that Linux, it is not working by defaultly in my system. So only.
So can you resolve that issue, sir, as soon as possible?
Sure, sir.
Hi guys, I'm back actually. What we are discussing, Venkat? I mean,
Nothing, Ravi. We are just discussing general things and the recordings and downloads. Nothing technically.
okay. Okay. Let me share my screen. Let me know, guys, once able to see my screen. So, able to see my screen?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So you understood, right? The file permission, how the file permissions will going to be calculation happen, and what is the default and what is the full permission. You understood, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you maximize the font?
Here, how can I maximize the font? I logged in via console actually.
So you can
Maybe
zoom
you
your screen.
zoom in can work. Browser,
And
open in
nice.
browser.
Settings, location, default, customize appearance, AWS, edit.
Maybe you can use control and scroll your mouse that center.
Sorry.
Control button and scrolling the mouse center that
Okay.
toggle. Yeah.
To the size of the icons large.
Yeah, that would. Yeah.
It's already in large actually.
Or from the touchpad of the laptop or something, you can increase.
Yeah, just I'm doing it 1 minute. Once the connection is established, I will do. No,
And
because
from the
screen is-
individual perspective, we can see left bottom corner the maximize and minimize options. Techno tree and then minus plus icons are there. You can use to maximize the window.
Where is Techno tree?
Left bottom corner.
Left to bottom.
No, from the individual perspective, not from the ones who is sharing the screen.
Oh, individual perspective. Okay. Okay. So there are how to change the file permissions, how to change the ownership of the permissions that we can discuss now. So chmod in the sense change mode. That means change the permission of the any of the file or directory. Okay. So if I want to provide 777 permission, use 777 and then file.sh. It will be 777. If you want to change 666, you can give file.sh. It will going to be change any of the file or directory. If you want to change 777 of the DAR permission, you can use like this. Okay. So let me go inside directory, create some random files, touch file 1.1.10. It will create 10 files at a time. So mkdir, dir, you know this? You know this command? How to create a multiple files with the dir1, dir2, dir3 or mkdir, dir1. Instead of creating a directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, at a time how to create a multiple n number of directories using this command. Flower brackets. If you want to create 10, 1.10. If you want to create 100, 1.100. So like that you can able to create. If you want to create touch file 1.10, touch will create file 1, file 2, file 3 up to 10. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I am inside the sudo, right? Su hyphen. So I have dir directory. I'm inside dir, but I have lot of files. Okay. wc hyphen l. There are 21 files. Okay. So I want to make the permission for all our 777 permission or all our 755 permission, whatever the permission you want. So whatever the permission you want, chmod 755. I'm making that 755 permission. So now my directory folder is having 755 permission. I want to provide 777 permission to dir directory as well as inside dir subfolders and files. How can we provide at a time for all the permissions? Same permission to the inside the subfolder, subdirectories and files as well. Using this command -r option, recursively we are providing the recursively we are providing the directory and as well as subdirectories and subfiles as well at a time. This will give you DAR 777 permission and as well as inside directory, whatever the files and whatever the subdirectories, inside subdirectories, whatever the files, whatever the subdirectories, those will going to be set as a 777 permission automatically using -R option recursively. Got it?
Recursively does for the all you said, right? I missed something.
Recursively in the sense inside files and directories, subdirectories.
Okay.
Any question? See, for example, I am removing the file, all the content. TOUTH, touch file 1. Okay. MKDR, I am going to create 4 files, 4 directories. Okay, directory 4. I am going to create touch file. Touch file. So MKDR techno. So go inside a techno. Create MKDR file 12. MKDR techno 1234. So if I cd double dot, okay, let me go to this tree DAR1. Okay, let me install 1 minute. I'm going to install one package. Okay, tree package that will give you the clear picture about your directory. Tree DAR1. See, you have main directory, under you have subdirectories and then files. There are 4 subdirectories and then 10 files. Inside DAR directory, subdirectory, we have 1 file, 1 directory. Inside one subdirectory, we have 2 subdirectories. Okay. So if I give, just I'm going to do, okay, this is what it is, right? So if I provide chmod 777 DAR, what will happen? Only 777 permission will going to set as only the directory for DAR, not for subdirectories, inside subdirectories, all the files. If I use -R option, it is going to be set all the things, whatever there inside DAR directory. Either inside all means subdirectory, inside subdirectory files and directory subdirectories, one more subdirectories, all the files. I hope you are clear. Please respond, guys.
Yeah. So like I have one doubt. Like so 777 is for directory, right? So and file for file it's 666, right?
So we are providing a 777 permission file as well. So for example,
for all files and directory both it will be given 777.
Yeah. If I want to provide X permission, it will going to be set X. So if you see LSF and LTR, LSF and LD, DAR, it is only X permission inside star. See, RX. If I want to set chmod 755 or 777, anything is fine. DAR -R. If you see here, see, if you observe before and after, one empty symbol will be there, -R-X. Here it is only RW, RR. Here if you see, all are RWX, files and directories, everything. CD DAR, list out this. Sorry, list out this. Go inside directory 4. List out this. Go inside techno. List out everything got set as a 777 permission for all directories, subdirectories, everything. If you go inside this, Tree day, yeah. Everything is going to be set. The color also going to be changed. Now one more thing is changing the ownership of the permission. Ch own is the command. Ch own. Change the ownership. Is the owner or user? This is the group. If you want to change ownership of the file permission, you want to know first which user is going to be available. Okay, is it a user? Okay. So let me list one. Let me create one file or directory. For example, tell me one thing. I want to create a file or directory without going to or without switching to the directory. I want to create a file under /home/user and then file I have to create. How can I create a file without entering into the directory?
Providing the complete basically.
Sorry?
Give the path.
Specify the path where we want to create.
Touch /home EC2 user. If I want to create Techno, I want to list without going inside the file, inside the directory. This is the direct. Okay. So I want to create. Yeah, this is the command. This is the one actually. mkdir techno tree. One will be file and one will be directory. If we want to list ls-l, if we want to list the directory ls-ld star, you don't know exact the name, you can list out it. Or if you know the name, techno tree. ls-ld is the directory listing. ls-l is the file listing. Okay. So now what is the user and what is the owner? It is created by owner as a root, group as a root. It is created by owner and group as a root. Ch own ec2-user root. If I want to change the ownership of the file or directory, see, it is got changed. If I want to change the directory permission, owner of the permission, see, it is changed. It is got changed. It is got changed, right? Owner and owner name. Owner in the sense I have used EC2 user owner. Group I have used root only. I haven't changed it. Just I have used the same. ch1 root group I have used it. If I want to change the owner as group as well, you can use the group name. EC2 user. So both are changed. Oh, it is the file, right? Both are changed. Owner and group both are changed. Getting me? Hello, please respond, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So you guys able to understand, right? If there is any questions? Hello, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, Ravi, you can. I'm
Yes,
able
sir.
to
Yes,
understand.
sir.
Yeah, don't have
No
any.
questions, right? Yeah.
So, Ravi, I was having a generic question. Like, while giving the sessions, like, can you let us know, like, what would be the interview questions we would expect, like, in such kind of scenario, or it will be totally different from this? Just a generic question.
You mean the Linux part? What are the expected interview questions, sir?
Yeah, like you're explaining various kind of sessions and also like what kind of questions we would expect, like as per the sessions you're taking. So it will be similar to that, or it will be totally different, or how
It will be similar, and whatever the interview is expecting the questions from interview person, right? The candidate,
Yeah.
right? We are covering it actually.
Yes.
So we are redirection operations. Most one is filter commands, and then permission related commands, chmod commands, and then related to the input output redirections using filter commands.
Okay, chmod is modifying both file and directory.
chmod will work both. There is no different command, file and directory.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So if no questions, we can wind up today class. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you for your session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.